Okay, and now we come to the second part. That is enter lovers Lysander, Demetrius, Hermia, and Helena. Now you see that they have come over there where Theseus and Hippolyta wedding is going on. Theseus says, "Here comes the lovers, full of joy and mirth." It means they are married and they are very happy now. Joy, gentle friends, joy and fresh days of love accompany your hearts. Lysander, more than to us, wait in your royal walks, your board, your bed. Now Lysander is saying like we are going to wait here. We are going just like you see that there is a wedding function going on, so the people have to stay over there in the function. He's saying that we are just going to wait over here. Theseus, come now. What mask, what dances shall we have? Theseus is saying that which kind of mask? Mask mean entertainment or dances or songs which we are going to observe. Come on, what mask, what dances shall we have? To wear away his to wear away this long age of 3 hours between, like that function was of 3 hours between our after supper and bedtime. Which where is our usual manager of mirth? Manager of mirth mean mirth stands for happiness. So who is going to make us happy? He's saying that who is the manager of mirth? Who is going to make us happy? What travels are in hand? Is there no play to ease the anguish of torturing hours? So what kind of play we are going to have to enjoy here for this time? Because they were not feeling good over sitting over there, they were tired. Call Philostrate. So Philostrate is coming over there. He says, "Here, mighty Theseus, like I'm here." As you know, like they say that we have come over here. Let me have a look on the book. Okay, that is about line number 38. Here, mighty Theseus. He says, "I'm here, Theseus. Say, what abridgment have you for this evening? Like, which kind of entertainment you have prepared over here? What mass? What music? How shall we beguile the lazy time, if not with some delight?" So he's saying, how we are going to enjoy over here. Philostrate is giving him a paper. He's saying, there is a brief. Philostrate is giving Theseus a paper. Okay, he is giving it to Theseus, who is the king. He's saying there is a brief. How many sports are ripe? Make chocolates of which your highness will see first. He's saying that there are different kinds of sports. I am having 2 to 3 plays. So just read from the paper and tell which one you like to see or watch. Make choice of which your highness will see first. Now Theseus is going to read the page, and when he will be reading, he say, "Okay, the battle with Centaurus to be snugged by an Athenian and eunuch to the harp." He will say that, "No, okay, I am not going to watch this. We will none of that. I have already told my love in the glory of kingsman Hercules." Hercules was cousin of Theseus. So he's saying, "I have already told about this story to Hippolyta, so I am not interested in this." Then he is going to read about a next play, the riot of tipsy Vaishnaves tearing the Thracian singer in their rage. That is an old device. It was placed. He's saying that I have already watched it. It was an old play. When I from Thebes came last conqueror. So then I have watched it. Now he is going to read the thrice three muses mourning for the death of learning, late deceased in beggary. Now he's saying that is some kind of satire, keen and critical. Now he's talking about muses. Muses are thought to be the goddesses of Greece. So he's saying the three muses mourning for the death, and that seems quite sad. So that is a satire, keen, critical. That is not required. Not sorting with a nuptial ceremony. So he's saying it is not suitable for a wedding ceremony function. Like there is someone going to be dead, so it doesn't seem appropriate for the wedding ceremony function. Then he is going to read about fourth play, a tedious brief scene of young Pyramus and his love Thisbe, very tragical mirth. Now you see there is a kind of technique, paradox used. Paradox goes for opposite statements. Tragic goes for sadness and mirth goes for happiness. So how can it go for tragical mirth? He's saying a tedious brief scene of young Pyramus and his love Thisbe, very tragical mirth. Then he says merry and tragical, tedious and brief. Tedious goes for detail and brief goes for short. Again he's saying that this play which is detailed but also brief, what is that? He's going to be confused. He's thinking merry and tragical, tedious and brief, these are paradoxical statements. It is just like that is hot ice. can it happen? Hot ice. So that is hot ice and wonder strange. No. How shall we find the concord of this discord? Concord of this discord, like your how can you solve this problem? Illustrate a play. There is my lord, some 10 words long, which is brief. I have known a play, but by 10 words, my lord, it's too long. He's saying that the play is 10 words long, but I think those 10 words are too long, which makes it tedious. For in all the play, there is not one word apt, one player fitted. Actually, he wants to say there is not a single word properly used because they were not able to speak properly. And tragical, my lord, because Pyramus therein doth kill himself. Pyramus is going to kill himself. It's a kind of suicide. Pyramus will be committing suicide, but he's saying that when I saw rehearsal, when I saw that they were rehearsing, I must confess made mine eyes water. It means that there were tears in the eyes, but more merry tears the passion of loud laughter never shed. He's saying, but that tears were merry tears, tears of joy or happiness or laughter. The passion of loud laughter never shed. He's saying that it was just like like tears of laughter. Theseus, what are they that to do? Play it. He is saying that who are going to play it, like who are the actors, what are they that do play it, who is going to play it? Philistre, hard-handed men, it means that the workmen that work in Athens here, which never labored in their minds till now, and now have toiled their unbreathed memories with same play against your nuptial. Now they have prepared the play for your nuptial or for your wedding, and that was difficult for them because they are unbreathed memories, because they are not trained properly. They are not properly trained to learn the play script. Theseus, and we will hear it. Okay, we will watch it, we will see it. Illustrate, no, my noble lord, it's not for you. I have heard it over, and it's nothing in the world unless you can find support in their intents. Okay, now Theseus is saying that okay, we will watch it, but Philostratus, it's just a boring thing, you are not going to enjoy it, you cannot watch it, it's not suitable, extremely stretched, that cannot put cruel pain to do you service. Theseus, I will hear that play, for anything can be missed. He's saying nothing can be useless, but I would like to see the play. When simpleness, actually he wants to see simpleness to the people of Athens who were just a workman, and duty terrorate, go bring them in and take your places, ladies. Take your places, ladies. Now he's saying, okay, you have to bring the people, you have to bring the workmen to perform the play, and then he is asking ladies to take the